Hey everybody, it's your girl Tracy. I am back with another cool software tip. This time we'll be talking a little bit about a Windows feature that came out with the Windows 7 version of the operating system, and that is called the Snipping Tool. What I found in my line of work and training and sitting with people, talking with people, that they're not even aware that this tool exists. So if you do things like I do, needing a lot of screenshots, a lot of images from software that you have open on your computer, needing to paste those or insert those images into other applications, then the snipping tool is your friend. It's an unsung hero. So let's go ahead and jump right in and talk about that tool. If you don't see it when you go to your start menu on the bottom left here, and I am using Windows 10. If you've not upgraded, that's okay. As I mentioned, the snipping tool is available in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So click on the start menu, and I'm going to use this search feature here just to start typing to find it instead of locating it, scrolling through different areas. We'll just type it here, and it's snipping. There it is, the snipping tool. And what I tend to do with a tool that I use most often is go ahead right away, pin it to the taskbar. We want to pin it down here so I don't have to search for it anymore. So I'm just going to right click on it here and choose pin to taskbar. You can pin to start, which means it will appear here when you click on the start menu. It'll be in the list of applications here. But I'm going to pin it to my taskbar. All right, and there it is, sitting right here on the bottom. So I'm going to click on that, and when you do, you get a little box to pop open. Shows you that you can start a new screen capture, and what it does is it allows me, if I click on the new, you'll see that the background grays out. My cursor turns into this little crosshairs icon, and that's signifying to me that I can now go and draw around or select the area of my screen that I like to snip. So let's say I just want to grab this tree over here on the mountains here. It's such a pretty scene. And when I let off the left click on the mouse, it opens that capture into this window, and I can do a couple of things with that. I can go ahead and save it. If I choose to save it, I can save it as an image, a JPEG, or any other image type file. If I don't need to save it, I just need to maybe copy it and paste it into something else, a Word document or something. There is my copy button. Just copy it. And I have Word open. Let me open a new file here to show you. Just going to Control V to paste it. And voila, there is that image. Paste it into my Word file. I can pick it up and do some things with it, just like any other picture that you insert into the file. Also, the other thing I'd like to mention with the snipping tool is the ability to annotate a little bit. You've got some buttons here. You've got the pen, and you can choose what color, and a highlighting tool. So we've got a blue already selected. I can click here and just do whatever I need to do. Maybe I need to circle something on it, and then save that image with your annotation. And the cool thing about this, if I don't want that, I've got the erase button. Just click a couple times to get rid of the annotation that I've applied. Of course, you can email this. This will probably be likely connected to your Microsoft Outlook mail. So if you're not using Outlook, then don't bother. Just go ahead and save this as an image and then attach it in an email. If I wanted to do something new, I could just simply go ahead and hit the new button, and it'll just gray out everything. Keep in mind that I need to have open on the desktop whatever it is that I need to snip before I hit new, because I can't grab anything while the crosshairs are waiting for me to select the area to snip. So I can't open another application. So the best thing to do, I'm just going to hit cancel there, and it keeps it open. And let's say I'm working even on the web, not just things on applications on the program, but if you're out on the web. And I just happen to be here on this cool website called Pearl Technology Consulting. Wow, pretty neat. I think I'll take a snip of this. So I'm going to grab that snipping tool, move it out of the way if I need to, and hit new. and I can just grab a piece of the page, whatever it is I want to hold on to or snip. I'll just grab this part here, and voila, there it is. Same type situation where I can copy and paste this. I can save it as a JPEG and email it. That is the snipping tool. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and you'd be willing to send us a note about how great you love the snipping tool or anything else that we've shared. Please do me a favor and visit our website, pearltechconsulting.com, and use the Contact Us page to send us a note. We'd love to hear from you. Take care.